If you work in heating and cooling, having the right tools is crucial. In today's video, we've picked the top 5 best multimeter for HVAC technicians, breaking down options built to handle demanding real-world electrical and temperature testing on the job. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Klein CL800. The Klein CL800 is a highly reliable and versatile clamp meter designed with HVAC professionals in mind. This tough, all-purpose tool measures AC/DC current through its clamp and handles a range of additional functions via test leads, including voltage, resistance, continuity, frequency, duty cycle, diode testing, and capacitance. For HVAC-specific needs, it also features a thermocouple for accurate temperature readings. What sets the CL800 apart is its low impedance, low Z mode, which helps identify and eliminate ghost or stray voltages that could lead to incorrect readings. The auto-ranging capability and true-rms (TRMS) technology guarantee precise, reliable measurements on every job, whether you're working with linear or nonlinear loads. Its backlit LCD ensures clear visibility even in dimly lit workspaces, while the built-in work light and optional magnetic hanger increase convenience for hands-free operation. The tool is built tough, offering IP40 ingress protection and drop protection up to 6.6 feet. These features, paired with a test lead holder and durable casing, make the Klein CL800 an ideal clamp meter for demanding HVAC environments. It's a solid all-around performer trusted by technicians who require accuracy, durability, and versatility on busy job sites. Number 2. Klein CL445. The Klein CL445 is a versatile and dependable clamp meter tailored for HVAC technicians who require accuracy and convenience. This meter efficiently measures AC current, inrush, and non-contact voltage testing, NCVT, through its integrated clamp jaw, while its test leads manage AC/DC voltage, resistance, continuity, frequency, duty cycle, DC microamps, diode testing, capacitance, and temperature. The dual backlit LCD display is a standout feature, providing simultaneous voltage and current readings for added efficiency on the job. Auto-ranging and true-rms (TRMS) technology ensure accurate, consistent readings in a variety of electrical conditions, making it dependable for both residential and commercial HVAC work. Practical features like a test lead holder and optional magnetic hanger enhance usability and allow for hands-free operation in tight spaces. Added functions such as max/min, inrush, data hold, and auto power off improve versatility and help extend battery life. The non-contact voltage detection built into the clamp jaw adds safety and convenience by quickly identifying live circuits. Number 3. UEI-DL369. The UEI-DL369 is an excellent dual-display clamp meter crafted to meet the varied needs of HVAC professionals. It features a 4,000-count dual display that delivers clear, easy-to-read measurements, even in dim work environments. Key functions include measuring AC current up to 400 A, AC/DC current up to 2000 A, capacitance up to 4000 F, and frequency, making it a handy all-in-one tool for HVAC service calls. The unit also supports duty cycle, diode testing, continuity, and resistance up to 40 ohms. HVAC technicians will appreciate the built-in non-contact voltage (NCV) detector, which provides audible alerts to identify live lines, improving on-site safety. Auto-ranging and min/max functions, along with automatic power-off, help extend battery life while providing versatile functionality. Number 4. UEI-DL389B. Designed for industrial and commercial HVAC applications, the UEI-DL389B clamp meter packs advanced features into a durable, user-friendly device. This industrial-grade tool handles AC amps, AC/DC volts, AC/DC microamps, capacitance, frequency, diode testing, duty cycle, temperature, continuity, and resistance with ease. True-rms technology ensures precise, reliable measurements across various load types, from standard residential systems to complex industrial setups. Safety is a priority with this meter, offering Cat 4 300V and Cat 3 600V safety ratings, along with non-contact voltage detection and input jack locks to prevent accidental fuse blows. A bright, dual backlit display and integrated work light improve usability in dark or confined workspaces. The magnetic mount adds convenience for hands-free operation during inspections and repairs. Number 5. Klein CL320KIT. The Klein CL320KIT is a comprehensive HVAC professional's kit that bundles essential tools into one convenient package. At the heart of the kit is the CL320 digital clamp meter, capable of measuring AC current and NCVT through its clamp, while its test leads manage AC-DC voltage, resistance, continuity, frequency, duty cycle, DC microamps, diode testing, capacitance, and temperature via thermocouple. True-rms and auto-ranging capabilities deliver consistently accurate measurements, a must for sensitive HVAC systems. The included NCVT 3P dual-range non-contact voltage tester safely detects voltage from 12 to 1000 VAC, featuring visual and audible indicators for quick diagnostics. A built-in flashlight enhances visibility in tight, dimly lit areas. Completing the kit is the IR07 dual IR/probe thermometer, which reads temperatures from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 572 degrees Fahrenheit, ideal for measuring vent and duct temperatures.